I would like to thank the Sri Sri University family. SSU set a nice impression by giving us the warmest welcome. People here in the university are so friendly, and then they give us a very warm welcome. We were also introduced with a very nice traditional dance yesterday, and it's left such a nice memory in all of our mind.
How big can we think? How expansive can we think? And then having the conviction that yes, it is possible, because when as a leader you have the conviction, then the team, that conviction cascades to the team.